Welcome students to the Department of Physics. Today we are going to perform the short experiment, that is study of multimeter and its use. Now, aim of this experiment is use of multimeter to identify the phase of transistor. Distinguish between NPN and PNP transistor. Again, to see the unidirectional of current in case of diode and LED. Again, to check whether the given electronic component is in working order or not. The apparatus required for this experiment are transistor, diode, LED, multimeter. I will show you one by one. See, transistor, it's our transistor. It has 3 legs, you can see. It has 3 legs. It's transistor. Again, here one more transistor. Again, one more transistor. 3 transistors are here in our set. 3 transistors. These are the transistors. Now, diode. See, guys, this is our diode. It has 2 legs. Diode. Whole black color part, and this grey color ring is N type, and the whole black part is P type, PN junction diode, simple diode. Here again one more diode. You can see here grey color part is N type, that is connected to negative terminal for working condition, and whole part is black color, and that is P type. It's connected to positive terminal, and then only it works. It's about diode. Now LED, light emitting diode. See, this is yellow color LED, light emitting diode. It has 2 legs. Okay, this is larger, this is smaller leg. Multimeter, this is our multimeter. Okay. It has 2 probes, positive terminal, negative terminal. Red is always positive, black is always negative. Okay. See, coming towards our diagram, already you learned in theory part, transistor. Transistor means 3 resistors are doped back to back, or 2 diodes, NP diode, PN diode are means connected back to back, then it forms one transistor. This is NPN transistor. NPN, its symbol, NPN transistor. It has 3 legs, emitter, base and collector. In NPN transistor, current direction is in outward direction. Its notch. See, emitter, base, collector, 3 legs, emitter, base, collector, and its notch. You have to identify that emitter or collector. That why its notch is here. Notch is towards emitter. I will show you. See, in this transistor, see, this is our one transistor. Notch is here. You can see, this is our notch. And the leg which is present towards notch is emitter. After that, this base, and this is collector. To identify where emitter is here, so notch is here. Notch is towards emitter. Emitter, base, collector. Okay. In PNP, symbol of PNP transistor. Emitter, base, collector, 3 legs, and direction of current is in inward direction in PNP transistor. Now diode. See, a ring I already shown. Whole color is black and only ring is of grey color, and that is N type material, and rest all is P type. Diode. It's diode. It's like this. Diode. This ring, grey color ring, is N type, and whole rest all black color part is P type. It has 2 legs. P type, N type, positive terminal, negative terminal. Okay. And its symbol is this, anode and cathode. Anode, this act as a anode, positive terminal, and this negative act as a cathode. Its symbol. LED. Again, LED has 2 legs. Anode and cathode. Anode act as positive, cathode act as negative. See, this is our LED. Its larger leg, its smaller leg. Larger and smaller, LED, light emitting diode. Its symbol, it emits lights, that's why arrow are here. direction of arrow or outward direction because it emits light. Now this is our digital multimeter. Whatever the device is connected here, it's diode, P and N type diode. It's multimeter. Okay. Now here see our diode is connected. Focus on multimeter. LED glows. Light is emitted. You can see multimeter shows some direction of current. It glows means this positive probe is connected to this leg, means this leg acts as a anode. Anode is connected to positive type, and this another one smaller leg, that is cathode, it is connected to negative, then it glows and it also shows some direction of current, means it's in working condition. If its direction is reversed, smaller leg, that is cathode, is connected to positive probe and anode is connected to negative probe, it doesn't glows and multimeter does not shows any current direction. Okay. Now again see positive probe. This grey color ring is N type, negative. Negative terminal, that is cathode, is connected to positive terminal and this anode, positive anode, is connected to negative terminal. See the direction of current, no current is here. Means it does not in working condition, means it does not works. And when its polarity is changed, it shows direction of current, some current is here. Means this anode is connected to positive terminal, positive probe, and this cathode is connected to negative probe. Then it shows, multimeter shows some current direction. This is about our. Now it's easy one. Now coming towards transistor. See the leg towards notch. This is our notch. The leg towards notch is emitter. I will connect this emitter to positive probe. Central one base and this is collector. Emitter base. See, I am connected positive probe to emitter and negative probe to base. No current direction is here. Current doesn't show any direction. Now I will reverse it in the direction of current. Base to positive and emitter to negative terminal. Emitter to negative terminal. Then it shows some direction of current. See its notch. The leg towards notch is emitter. This negative probe is connected to this emitter. Then multimeter shows some current direction. Means its base is positive. Means it's P, it's N. This transistor is NPN, NPN transistor. Why? Base is connected to positive probe and emitter is connected to negative probe. Then multimeter shows some current direction. Means base is P type. When P type is connected to P positive probe, then and then only it works, no? Again base and collector. This is collector, no? Again it shows some current direction. Means this base is connected to positive terminal. So this is P type, this is N type, this is N type. Its transistor is NPN, NPN transistor. Thus we can identify which one transistor is NPN or which one is PNP. This is NPN. Again one more transistor is here. You can see, guys, notch is here. This is our notch. The leg towards notch is emitter. This is base, this is collector. Now for base, see, this is base. I will connect positive probe. Focus on multimeter 2. For emitter, I will connect negative probe, black color. Means positive to base and negative to emitter. Means it's P type, it's N type. Again it's N type, NPN, because when it is connected, then multimeter shows some current. If I reverse the direction of current, negative terminal, negative probe to this base, central base, and this is emitter. It doesn't shows any current in multimeter. Means base is connected to positive probe and emitter is connected to negative. Means it's N, it's P, it's N. NPN, it's NPN transistor. Means both are NPN transistor only. Thus, we can identify the direction of current or which type of transistor is given with the help of this multimeter. Thus, we performed today's experiments in this way. Okay, thank you.